was said that the man actually find gold on this very land. But nobody no know where it is. After the man died, the government come and them search all over and can't find it. It was said that this land was haunted. The search never last a week. His wife did ill. Her bones did feeble. So him develop a kind of fabric to help her. But she never lived long enough to try it. The man gave up and started going to church. But to his surprise, no one called church man.
How did the man die?
The pastor not talk about him a God and can resurrect him wife, but instead sacrifice the man in search for the gold where him have. But the real treasure was never found. Them say Mr. Cra carry it to him grave.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, the story is about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Nope, I'm not here to kill you. I'm just here to prevent you from escaping. That second strike to your legs to prevent you from running. Now make me easy back until the others forward. That fat boy that would have take all night to catch you. And I want to lead them in a worship before morning. This is what you prayed for. The moment to purify your soul. The We pray to don't tolerate weakness. Time to pick up my master at the address he gave me. He said he was going to a party, but I bet my spirit higher he has hidden himself somewhere in a corner. He lives in a cemetery. He's very reserved. He doesn't like parties very much, but this one is different. It's at the premises of Minister King. I hope he's having a blast. Glad you could drop in, sir. I trust you had a good evening. Sir, your weight is a bit off. Would you like to stop by Ziggy's on our way home, sir?
Remember me? Take you to your memory. Go to Antoine when I pick me as an enemy. Ooh, the queen here now go hinder me. Tell me about sleeping in the sun. You bleach out your face.
Officer, where are you? You see what I'm going? Me not to go.
You have the gift of sight, detective.
What? And what is?
Because you touched the boy, you're seeing his past encounters.
What is wrong with these youths today?
What? Only mother of Mary, boy. You gonna give me high blood pressure, make me heart attack me.
You just have to say man come with the boy over there, so that's all me did I tell you.
Are the defective that I carry? Bring him come the defective. Plus him did make them wild shot, they kill me. I'd murder him. A long time no one catch you. You hold you know you're rich you.
Wouldn't it be best if you had taken him to a hospital?
I have been around for over 5,000 years. Tracking energy has become one of my most intricate traits. There is nothing physically wrong with Xayma, so no doctor can treat him better than I can.
What are those monitors for? They look alien. They surely don't look like any equipment I've seen at a hospital.
That's because they're not. I modified them myself. They are used to observe human energy and psychological deficiencies. The human body is like a 9-volt battery, having the potential to harness up to 7 volts. However, Xayma's body has long passed that amount. His body is now trying to, or should I say, fighting to control it.
What can we do?
There's nothing we can do. It's all up to Xayma now.
Okay, David, time for bed.
Is it true that we are descendants of slaves, Papa?
Yes, but we were first kings and astronomers. You must never forget that, David. Scanning in process of algorithms that Minister King would use to deploy his fleet, sir. Scan complete. Multiple routes identified. The Sun City toll, sir, is dreadfully impossible as usual. The old city capital. While traffic is at a minimum, that area is prone for extortion. I doubt they will take that route, sir. You've given them quite a scare over the last few days. They wouldn't take 3 miles, sir. Leaving China road, sir. That's seriously out of the question. The new Kingston Highway. I calculate this to be a faster route to the second city. It is more than likely they will take this route, sir. All vehicles are loaded with fuel and will be ready for transport in less than 260 milliseconds, sir. You should have enough time to stop their food, as they say, before they exit St. Andrews, sir. The Lamborghini is fully charged and ready to go, sir. Would you like me to top up your T-Tag? I've narrowed down the window of interception and programmed it into the GPS. Please be mindful of the speed limit, sir. Oh dear.
The arrest that I made tonight was from a tip-off that I got from the disc that the demon gave me. Oh, me I do me work with him now. Oh, me I see that brother. Oh, that brother. Why him I give the youth them gun? Rotted me too late. The boy was just a decoy. There's a price to pay. The consequence is tough. Stay on the right way.
Yes, this is Talia's store.
I'm sorry to inform you there has been an attack on your convoy against you. But you know personally of anyone who would like to see King's oil and energy gem cargo put to a halt.
Seriously, detective? You don't watch news? Almost half of the main island want to see the oil industry collapse. If any one man would be behind sabotaging Minister King, it would be Devar Marsh. He has been against the operation from the get-go.
These are your vehicles, right? I just thought you would have been more upset for their destruction.
Minister King and my company has a binding contract on the services of those vehicles, and as long as they are in his care, he's liable for all damages. Tricon Services has to ensure its coverages in major glitches like these. This was why we recommend using drones, as we can program their destinations. This way, there's no need for drivers to operate them.
Congratulations, Hunter. You just swapped Black Dog for Monkey. Or should I say, arrested a teenager when there's a demon on the loose.
And they mesh this, clever kid they prefer, live eternally forever, bad artist. Yo, warrior chief, tell them, me no secretary, no bother penny me, and if you violate, running like a refugee. A fire that I send it to the cemetery, that way you feel. Me no take talk, me no take talk. You violate, you know you make a great pass. You a you make a great pass. Must get on like vehicles. Me no take talk, me no take talk. Keep the talk while you're having your thoughts. Wanna put blast up a car spin around. Yo, load the clip with shot. Now we chop copper fly through them. Right the tall like on a thing catch it ching ching that. He put get the singing stop. Make the stinking shash. Flash burn him with gas. Him the killer. Him bad in him lyric chat. Rifle shot kill him. Him only full of a chat within him. Me no take talk. Me no take talk.
No boy can style with no ivory. Kill that music that a boy are funny, you know. Yeah, me like funny people, you know. Me not talk the funny there, and me not talk the other funny neither. Only 2 truck made the delivery this time. Them people you understand. You mess with my truck, you mess with me.
What?
You sure this man alright? He. The police lab rat, you have to see with him. He not get out much. The people them a try sabotage my business with this clean energy foolishness. Me no want to hear about no more mishaps. I want you to start escorting my trucks from now on. Anything will go wrong, are you me are responsible. Is that clear? Simple. Yes, sir. Then Ivory, how you gonna manage with Detective Hunter now with all of them things that we King a put you upon? No bother about Sebring, Panda.
Stick to ballistic. Leave the hard work to me. That man there move like him a top cop. I know how to angle Detective Hunter.
How else you expect me to deal with this Hunter? 2 police units totally destroyed, not to mention 4 police officers, a tanker and a civilian. And now you're telling me I have nothing to show for it? Captain, the man was clearly a chosen, and on top of that a professional hitman.
Captain demanded my badge. I gave it to him. But he has to use a crowbar to pry it out of his desk. Now I'm technically on a 1-month suspension.
Ain't nobody gonna step to the face when you know you make the humble. Or the other face, I can't like you look so push you in face. Feel like a fool to me. No just on a shit till you make the problem come to me. Feel the
disc. It had a lot of big names on it. Ministers, parliament officials who were corrupted to the core and couldn't just turn a team. If anything deal was right, I just can't trust the police.
Wagwan top cop.
Yeah.
Me hear through the grapevine, see you reopen the Tafia case.
Grapevine one cut.
So what? You not trust my report? Well here what? Me go send in a sparring partner. We go teach you the basic half hand to hand combat.
Me a go crush the little monkey here.
Wait, did this green monkey call me a monkey?
I'm a primate.
That now work.
So I that, no me have not done your boy.
Alright. What? What is? You have a strike? Come on, Hunter, we ought to trust your senses. I was barely able to get out of that strike without a scratch. I'm not sure how long I can keep this up. Bait me in with all them slow punch there. Me should have known better. Look on the man. The man is like a cross between a cat and a gorilla. All the punch me and punch me now make no use.
Your fast, I will give you that. But me still a go mash you up. Big boss smuddy your own size, boy. So you think you can handle me?
Welcome to our gym sauna. Please enjoy your orthopedic steam.
Feel puny claw them can't penetrate for me dark melanin. Then let's try the eyes.
I trust your visit was satisfactory. Please come again.
No more ask you something serious. When your friend crack there, hey boy go suck. When you feel say me make come here be tearing a few your. Hey boy,
Jim.
What is a text message? Deal had an accident last night. You know somehow that accident had chance name written all over it.
Things will go according to plan. Paradise Island is lost. The protected giant is roaming aimlessly, without a home. You see and you know, my lord. I have him eating out of the palm of my hands. Rich people only value two things: the riches that they have and the means to give them more. As long as them think we can provide that, Minister King will always be in our hands.
This is why I selected you, Creed. I handpicked you from that construction racket to do my bidding.
So me and you are going to knife it. Just keep your mind on the job and your eyes where the light shine. Alright, look at more hydro, Brenta. More. Because I don't know make it up on a top of this duck. Wait, Brent, are you that? We know it's you, you can't stay the height like you have. You think you can frighten me?
My powers are almost at its peak. Before long, Creed will lead us right to Xayma Cross, where I will destroy him and those wretched Chosens.
Xayma. 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 Now wake up, son. I, your father, commands it. What? Who? Welcome to your home for the next 2,000 years. My home?
want you. You're my star, my world, my moon too. You're everything that I will need and see in a woman, that's true. My days are dark cause we're apart. For me there's no more sky blue. The day you left, you tore my chest wide open. You took my heart too. Yeah. Those are all my fallen soldiers and all there. The one that were past and gone. Long life and prosperity, you see. May their soul rest in peace. R.I.P. Yeah, revolution again. Rest in peace for all my fallen soldiers. The star will shine one day. Rest in peace for all my fallen soldiers. I will see you one day. Rest in peace for all my fallen soldiers. The star will shine one day. Rest in peace. Yeah.